Do you run small business like maid service, carpet cleaning, handyman, dog walking, and similar that provide services at customer location? If so, Strict Manager is perfect solution for you. Using Strict Manager, you will have all products that have been used by large corporations available to you, all in one place, everything integrated. When you use Strict Manager, you can sign up for all or just one product that include cloud-based scheduling, accounting, reservation system, payment system, and website hosting. You will have better, customer-friendlier products than large franchise services. I will show you in this video how Strict Manager works together with QuickBooks Online. We will start with a scheduling system. So here is our monthly view of our schedule. Jobs in gray are completed and invoiced. Jobs in color are jobs in the future and not invoiced. So let's go to days view today and schedule one customer. Let's say we select from drop down menu Adam Smith. Schedule Adam Smith. We can schedule recurring cleanings. Let's say recurring every 2 weeks on Wednesdays. Also, we can add charge that we'll be able later to send to QuickBooks Online. Let's charge 120, and we can add comments. This is comment. So our employees or us ourselves will be able to see the comment when we use our mobile app or when we just open the schedule. Now we can assign the job to any employee that we want. We also can assign a color to employee. That's easy to identify who is working on what and so on. So we click create job and that's it. The jobs that are recurring every 2 weeks are scheduled. So now job is scheduled for Adam Smith, and once we completed the job, we go to invoice jobs tab. We find Adam Smith right here. The balance for the job is 120. So if we go quickly to our QuickBooks Online account, we see customers right here. Let's refresh the view. Adam Smith right here is existing customer and the balance is 0. Now let's go back to the previous view and let's go back to Strict Manager app. It's simple. I schedule a job and all I do create invoice in QuickBooks. That will send invoice to the QuickBooks, and once we go to QuickBooks Online, we will see the invoice posted in there. Adam Smith, we refresh it. Right, here we go. 120. It's posted. Everything within few seconds. See, job was scheduled and posted to QuickBooks within few seconds. Very easy, very convenient to use. Once you posted the job is deleted from here. And then once we completed the job, as I mentioned, it turns into gray, so that way you know that the job is completed. You also, with the jobs, you can modify the job any way you want and add any comments and modify the charges. It's all up to you. What we also provide at Strict Manager is reservation system. How reservation system works with website, with your website. You can have your own website or we can host websites for you. Here is example of a cleaning company, Clarendon Maids. Let's assume they provide services and the zip code 22201. Just might want to make sure that we provide service in that area. Next page on that website gives us a quote page. We can select the cleaning, what type of cleaning, how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, square footage, do we have any pets, get a quote. It gives you a quote online. You can pre-fill any values here yourself and set the pricing. Now once the customer clicks reservation, it takes them to the calendar. See, on the website they see your calendar. Currently there is nothing in the calendar, it's in red, but once we go to reservation system, let's say we go for tomorrow and we will do opening. Very simple, again, one click, save availability. Now here it's in green for company opening. Alright, we go to the website. When customer browses availabilities, he goes back in November, there was nothing. Now he goes to November availability, clicks on availability, and they can reserve the job. Let's assume that Aaron Rogers. We'll reserve the job for the cleaning at Columbia Pike, Arlington, Virginia 22201. We're gonna put any phone number. Okay, email. How do you hear Google? Customer can add comments and so on. So customer clicks reserve button, and what happens on our end? Once we refresh the page, we see here in the reservation that one reservation was made. We go to the reservation. We see here in orange, open the tab, Aaron Rogers. All the information that customer filled in is already in here. You can send reminder email. The emails are all pre-filled. Then let's close that. Then you can change to waiting confirmation. Let's assume you need something, before you finally schedule, and then add the customer. Click one button. All the information is pre-filled. Add customer, another button. Here is job scheduling page. Charges. Remember, it was 170 in reservation system when customer selected. Simple. Customers, comments for all recurring jobs. See how customer heard about us, how he's, what job specifics, how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, what's the square footage. Click create job. Well, before we create job, select the employee who will be performing job. We also can color code. Let's select Maria will perform job tomorrow. Create a job. That's it. Job is scheduled. Once we go to the calendar, we go for tomorrow. Aaron Rogers in green right here. Now, what we can do, I can show you how it works with QuickBooks. Remember, it's all few clicks. It's so easy. You basically don't have to do anything at all. Customer will do everything for themselves. They select the quote, they select the convenient date, and they will make a reservation. Now, Aaron Rogers right here, 170. Once we go to our QuickBooks Online account, there's Adam Smith, Allison, Amelia, Amy. Now, there's no Aaron in here. Once we go back to our reservation system and send Aaron Rogers to QuickBooks, we invoice that job, send it to QuickBooks. Now, what it will do, Strict Manager will add all the information to QuickBooks and also will add invoice to QuickBooks. Now, when we go, see, it added now. Now, when we go to QuickBooks Online, we refresh this page. There was no Aaron Rogers. Here we go. Now it's Aaron Rogers. The price is 170. The one that was coded online. It took me only few minutes of work, and now everything is completed. Right here, you can accept payments. In QuickBooks, you also can accept payments from Strict Manager. You can receive payment, take cash, check, select whatever it is. That will automatically send to QuickBooks. You also can email payment link. If you sign up for strictmanager.com credit card payments, you can email payment link and customer will receive the payment link and will get the email is also pre-formatted. Let's say if the customer selects on this link and then follows that link, the customer will see the page something like that. This customer has balance of 565. They can pay right now with credit card or whatever it is. It's all integrated with Strict Manager. You don't have to do anything. All right, another optionality that I want to talk about is mobile apps. You can use mobile apps for your employees. This right here is Simulator, right here in the middle. Let's go to today's list, Victor. I cannot put my phone on the screen right here, but the simulator will work, I guess, here. So you have two jobs. Those jobs are listed on the top, and then here's a map. Those jobs are listed on the map. It's very easy and to schedule. It's very easy for employees or yourself to see where are the jobs situated. Now, once you click on the job, you can click on this icon right here on the map icon. It will do routing for you from your mobile app. You don't have to use any GPS or anything like that. Now you can mark when you started jobs, another button when you ended. You can edit within your phone when you finished, and so on. You can add comments, you can add pictures and upload to the Strict Manager app. It's very easy, and in that way you keep track of your jobs, when they were started, when they ended, and so on. Another thing that I wanted to show from your mobile app, everything nowadays, you have to be able to run your business from your smartphone. You have to be on your feet, you have to do something, it's very convenient to have smart. Log into the same app, to strictmanager.com, from your smartphone. That's how it looks here from smartphone. The same schedule, looks a little bit differently, right? Invoice jobs, not invoice jobs. You can click on the job, all the information right here. You can update, can modify the job, you can update any charges, anything you want. Everything from your mobile app, and you don't need to use your computer, and you don't need to use your browser. And in this day, you have to have newest technologies. You have to appear to your customer that you use the best websites, the best reservation systems, and we work hard to provide that to you. And please check out other videos, and if you have any questions, you always can call us or email us at info@strictmanager.com, and we always will be happy to help you. And please check out our other videos.